This is a 13mm bolt. Pop this out. And you can take this pulley off of the belt tensioner. See the bearing in there? It's the same exact bearing that's in the idler pulley. I have an extra one here. Since I have a new one, I'm just going to go ahead and change it. Because in order to... This one feels okay. It's just really... See how it spins really easy? It's just low on grease. But I'm pretty sure if we bang this out of here without damaging it, which is going to be hard because you can't get to the outer lip of the bearing through here, because you want to bang it here, but you can't do that because of the way it's made. But if you can get this out, you can carefully open these covers and re-grease it, and it would probably be fine. But like I said, since I have the new one, I'm just going to go ahead and change it. I'm going to put a socket like this over the old bearing. Make sure you turn it upside down because that lip keeps it from falling out. If you try to bang it this way, it's never going to come out. Bang it until it pops out the other side. It's going to destroy the dust cover, nothing we can do. Yep, see? It's a shame because this bearing is still good, it just needs some new grease. I'm going to get your new bearing and put it in there, center as you can. I'm going to use the old one to help me get it in there so I don't damage the new one, because you only want to hit the new one on this side. You don't want to hit in where the shield is or on this part. The old one, it doesn't matter, you can tear it up because you're changing it anyway. Then you're going to bang it all the way down until it hits that lip down there. See that? It's even with that lip now. Good to go. Saved you a bunch of money, so you don't have to go and change the whole belt tensioner. Just change the bearing. Take your pulley, put it back here. Snug up this 13mm bolt. Then you can reinstall it on the engine. Reinsert the tensioner. Snug up the bolts. They're 10mm. And you're going to have to redo the belt routing. Double check, make sure they're snug. I don't know the torque specs for these. Sorry about that, the camera battery died on me. So you start the belt down there, shove it through and wrap it around. And you have that down there, which is under your hood. You can see there, it shows you how the belt routes. Just follow that. Or if for some reason your truck don't have it, I'll zoom into it like that so you can see it. Pretty easy to do once you figure out how to get the belt in there. You start it in there around the belt tensioner and you wrap it around everything. Not going to be able to hold this phone and show you. You pull this down, release the tension, and then you're going to slip the belt over the alternator and you're done.